Chronic stress physically shrinks the hippocampus, the only brain region that builds new long-term memories, by as much as 14%. In a landmark 1998 study, Stanford neuroscientist Robert Sapolsky showed that prolonged cortisol exposure kills hippocampal neurons faster than the brain can ever replace them, and the damage shows up on an MRI. Here's the cruel part nobody warns you about. A shrunken hippocampus loses its ability to switch off the stress response, so cortisol keeps climbing and the shrinkage feeds on itself. That's why combat veterans and people with untreated depression show some of the smallest hippocampal volumes ever recorded. Subscribe, tomorrow's one is even more surprising. But the same plasticity runs in reverse. London cab drivers who memorize all 25,000 streets grow measurably larger hippocampi, and just 3 months of aerobic exercise regrows lost volume. Doctors can slow the cortisol, but they can't flip the switch for you. Comment below, did you know your memory center could physically rebuild itself?